History of New York.
New York's history is rich and diverse, shaped by its role as a hub of commerce, culture, and immigration. Pre-colonial era. The area was originally inhabited by Native American tribes, primarily the Lenape people. European discovery, 1609, Henry Hudson, an English explorer sailing for the Dutch East India Company, explored the area and the river now named after him, leading to Dutch interest. New Amsterdam, 1624. The Dutch established a settlement called New Amsterdam on the southern tip of Manhattan Island. In 1664, the British seized it and renamed it New York in honor of the Duke of York. Colonial growth. New York grew as a major trade and cultural center, becoming one of the 13 colonies to rebel against British rule during the American Revolution. Revolutionary War, 1775 to 1783. The city was a key battleground, and after the war, it briefly served as the U.S. capital from 1785 to 1790. 19th century expansion. The opening of the Erie Canal in 1825 turned New York into a vital port, spurring economic growth. Waves of immigrants, especially from Ireland, Germany, and later Southern and Eastern Europe, made it a melting pot of cultures. 20th century. New York became the world's financial capital, with Wall Street, saw the construction of iconic landmarks like the Empire State Building, and emerged as a center for arts, entertainment, and social movements. September 11, 2001. The terrorist attacks on the World Trade Center deeply impacted the city and its role in global security and resilience. Today, New York City remains a global metropolis, celebrated for its diversity, culture, and economic influence.